This is Jason with Fixer Company Plumbing. I'm here on a tunnel job. I wanted to show you what this kitchen drain line looked like. It's all rusted out. It was all rusted out, and it was full of junk. Just completely corroded. And caused all the drains to just break off. So anytime anybody tried to cable it, because it was stopped up, they would get their camera stuck or their cable stuck, and it would be a big problem, and it's been a big problem for them. So what we did is we did a tunnel. And you see this big pile of dirt here, and we were able to expose all of that pipe and replace it without having to tear the floors up. We're gonna take you on a little journey down into the tunnel. And you can see here how they used some type of a chemical drain cleaner, and it caused this rebar in the concrete to be eaten up. It is in really bad shape. A lot of it you can just crumble with your fingers because it's so corroded. See right here, I can just, it's literally paper thin. See, I can touch my fingers together around that rebar because it's just ate up from all those chemical drain cleaners, just like it did to that cast iron drains. So we're gonna go, this is where we come up through the floor. We were able to do it without getting into the brick, which was a trick. We might hear a little bit of pain because there's a lot of little rocks here. So kind of hard on the knees. But here's the new pipe. This is where it's going through the floor. And it actually come up under the floor, in the floor, under the dishwasher. So we just pulled the dishwasher out, made the hole, and we didn't have to disturb any of the floor where it was a visible tile. There was tile where the dishwasher is, but it's all going to be hidden by the dishwasher. So we got hangers on everything. They have a foundation company coming out tomorrow that's going to come out here and look at everything. I'm gonna pause it for a second while I crawl to this other side. Okay, here I am on the other side. This is where we tied in to the 3-inch. Replace that bad combo that was there. We have some shielded bands that will keep everything in line, not just a rubber coupling. These actually prevent the pipe from becoming misaligned whenever the dirt goes back. And we got these hangers that are going all the way into the concrete. You can see here where the old pipe was up higher. It's the old cast iron right there. There's the old cast iron right there. That's all abandoned right there, but it was in the thickest part of the concrete where they had two beams that came together, and so we had to offset it so it wouldn't have to go through this thickest part of the beam where the two came together. It was able to knock off the bottom piece of it and get through. There's no other way to get a pipe over there and still have the fall that we need. This is where we're going. All the way through and back out. So you can kind of see how it all kind of comes together. And it is on test right now. Full of water, holding water. See, it doesn't sound hollow because it's full of water. I'll pause it again because I'm going to crawl over these rocks again. And here we are with hangers. Okay, now here we are back out of the hole. And I want to show you here, I put a leaf. It's where the clean out is. This is the existing clean out. I put a leaf on there so you can see that it's full of water. Makes it easier to see it. And here we are with our pile of dirt. Okay, well that's it for kitchen drain line tunnel.